Larsson Line has turned gold for Bitcoin on the daily. So why am I not out celebrating on the streets? And have I gone all in or not? I should, right? Larsson Line predicts here that price should go up, right? Guys, charts don't predict anything. Technical analysis, my indicator, all those things, they just offer us support. They just protect us from ourselves, protect us from running with our emotions and doing some, sorry to say, stupid shit. If you followed along here, you know that I did enter after this ascending triangle breakout. And the entry here is pretty perfect. We had a solid breakout through the horizontal boundary of an ascending triangle, followed by a retest. And Larsson Line, my trend indicator of choice, has just turned gold, meaning up. So it doesn't get better than this. Supportive chart construction, a retest that held, and trend turning up, and we're just in the beginning of it. And it all happened at the same time. So of course I have to enter here. But why am I not celebrating then? Well, I will celebrate when I've sold. It's not a trade until you have sold. So am I not confident then? Of course I'm not confident. The best traders in the world have maybe a 40% success rate on their trades. But how is that possible? A monkey throwing darts would have about 50% success rate if it's in a random market on a time frame that is random. So how come then that the best traders have only 40%? Are they outperformed by the market? No, they are not. But how can their success rate be less and still make more money? Well, that's for you to think about until the next episode. If someone knows the answer, you can write it in the comments. I'm not even sure that I hope that this trade will work out. Probably better outcome for me is that this support breaks down, I get stopped out here, and we have a mega crash. Maybe it takes out the last long, we take out the range support and then turn up. Because in that case, I'll probably try to buy when this support is reclaimed. And I will have even better entries if this continues up from there, compared to if this support holds and we just continue from here. Of course, any number of other scenarios are possible, but these are my two scenarios from here. One of my earliest videos on this channel was actually buying Twitter stock at $28, historic support level. I made some fundamental analysis at that time. This was in 2020 after we had an insane number of touches on this support level at 28. And then it ran up towards 80 and I felt really smart. I took some profits at the breakdown here, but then it started looking like I would get stopped out here 2 years later. I feel slightly smarter today when the price is $54 on the pre-market. Thank you, Elon Musk, for saving me once again. But this was around the time when people also called me crazy for saying that Ethereum might go to $2,000. How can it go to such an insane figure? That was when Ethereum was at 473 after we had gotten this very nice entry there at 175 approximately. I was also right about the Sony stock entry around the same time, but even when right, this just shows to illustrate how much more exciting the crypto markets are, in my opinion. So what I will do here is simply to follow the process. If support breaks, stop loss hits, I will close the position and try again to get in. And if I'm really lucky, I will get in on a dip while the trend is still up. That would be my ideal scenario. One more thing, the scammers are going crazy, guys. Watch out in the comments, everywhere on social media, someone writes to you, they offer you to buy the Larsson Line at the discount and so on. It's a scam. The only place you can get my course and indicator is on the website www.ctolarsson.com. Make sure there's not a typo somewhere in the URL because then it is a scam. We have some very important things coming this week. I will release a video about the regulation that I hope can have some impact on the industry. And on Thursday we will have this channel's first live show together with James from Invest Answers and Rob from Digital Asset News. Those DCA shows are legendary. So if you haven't already, now is the time to subscribe and switch on the bell so you don't miss it. We will take live questions. I'm very excited. Thank you, tack. CTO Larsson out. Hej då!